Tired of a same old boring breakfast? Today, I'm not just going to show you how to make the Masala Paddu, the ultimate South Indian breakfast. I'm revealing my personal secret ingredient that guarantees these paddus turns out perfectly soft from inside, crispy from the outside, within every single time without fail. This isn't just another recipe, it's the recipe that will change your breakfast game forever. I will walk you through every step from prepping the veggies to the last. I have broken it all down to make super simple, so even if you are a never made a paddus before, you will feel like a pro. So grab your paddu pan because in the next few minutes you will learn how to whip some plate of beautiful little flavor bombs. Now let's see how to do this awesome paddu, masala paddu. To this I have taken the dosa batter. To know how to make this dosa batter, I have provided you link in the description also, and I will provide the link in the iCard also. You can check it out. So for the time being, let's keep this batter aside. Here we need to chop up the veggies. To this I am taking onions, nearly 3 medium sized onions, and we'll add 2 green chilies and some coriander leaves, and we need to finely chop them. Here I'm using an electrical chopper. You can use knife also, but make sure whatever you use, you finely chop it. So that's the motto. Here you go. The onions and chilies and everything are finely chopped. You can see how the onions and everything is finely chopped. Now let's keep this aside, and in a pan I have taken nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. Allow the oil to get heat, and when the oil heat you will add the mustard seeds first, and then a little bit of a jeera, and we'll add a tablespoon of gram dal. That's chana dal. That's very important. That is which gives you a beautiful crunch in this recipe. So we need to allow it to splutter and make the chana dal somewhat crispy. After that we'll add some curry leaves, and then we'll add the finely chopped onions and green chilies, and give it a nice mix and cook it on a medium to high flame only at this point of time. And now we'll add a little bit of salt as required and give it a nice mix. The important thing in this is you should keep in mind the onions shouldn't get the color. It should be just sweated, and you should cook until the onions are translucent. That's it, not more than that. That's very important in this. Look here, just like this. It took me around 2 minutes to cook the onions till now. So it's perfect. Let's allow this to keep it aside and allow this to cool completely. Here, let's come back to the batter. I have taken the dosa batter. To this I'm going to add the fresh leaves, such as these are the dill leaves, or we call it as a sapsige soppu in our Kannada. So I have chopped it thoroughly, nearly 2 tablespoons of it. We'll add nearly 2 tablespoons of this dill leaves, and we'll add a tablespoon of chopped coriander, and we'll add the prepared masala. This how beautiful this looks. Just give it a nice mix and whisk it nice and good so there are no lumps are formed. That's it. This is the secret masala batter for the masala paddus. So look at this. Is there any hard to do this? Is it difficult? So this is so easy. Even a beginner can do this. So let's keep this paddu masala aside. And here you go, the star. This is the star of the show. It is much older than me. It's nearly 30 to 40 years old. It's still in our home. We are doing the paddus in this same pan for generations, and I'm using the same pan now also. So now to this we need to there you can see here there are 7 holes in this. To this we need to add some oil. So each and every holes receive a half a spoon of oil, and allow this to heat. That's very important, and it will take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can add the batter to this. So add a little bit, don't fill completely. Allow a 50% gap to it may get fluff. Now look, everything is perfectly done. Now allow this to cook. That's very important. I'm cooking this in a medium to high flame, and it needs to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on a high flame. Let's close the lid and allow this to cook on a medium to high flame. After 2 minutes, if you turn, you will just get the beautiful golden crust from its outside. So this is exactly how it needs to done. Just if you flip it now, you can see how crispy it is from the outside and soft and fluffy from the inside. So the other side of the paddu should also be cooked now. So that's the reason we'll flip it and cook for another 2 minutes from the other side. Just look at the magic after 2 minutes. Look, it's been 2 minutes from the other side also. Now the paddus are perfectly done. And there you have it. In just few simple steps, we've gone from basic batter of this incredible golden brown masala paddus, the secret ingredient and the simple technique we covered. That's what gives you the perfect texture every single time. But we are not done yet. You can't have this amazing paddus without the perfect chutney. Next week I'm showing you how to make that perfect tangy and spicy chutney to dip this in. Trust me, it's going to be a beautiful game changer for this recipe. If you love this recipe and learn the new trick, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to Deepak's Kitchen, and let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite South Indian breakfast is. I love hearing from you, and it helps me create more delicious recipe you'll love. Thanks for watching. This is Deepak Kshatriya. We'll be back with another such yummy recipes. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.